Hi guys, my name is Paul Adaroji, and in this video, we're gonna be building a simple landing page, right? So we're gonna learn a lot. We're gonna learn about code structure, code patterns, how to um, get assets from a Figma file, how to use a Figma file as a front-end developer. So if this sounds interesting, please hang along. All right. So as you can see here, this is what we'll be building today. And these are the various parts. The first part is this stop nav bar. Then you can see the hero section here. Then this special mails part, this get notified part, and lastly, the footer section. All right, we're building this from scratch. And let's get started.